I'm John, and this is my Syracuse University campus tour.
You want to take a ride on this?
Oh, yeah.
Hey!
Hello, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Okay.
Wait, it's actually like awesome.
Can't do that in a freshman dorm, can you? Hey, I'm John, and this is my Syracuse University campus tour. Come on. So I live in a triple on South Campus, but there are also single bedroom apartments and double, all with their own kitchen and common space. So come on in. So here we are in my South Campus apartment. Let's start with the living room. When I first walked in here, I was shocked by the amount of space. Coming from a dorm room, like there's 3 bedrooms, a living room, and a kitchen. This is where my roommates and we like to watch movies, we like to hang out, maybe play some video games, and really just, we got to know each other super quick. It's only been 3 weeks, but I'd say it feels like home. This is the kitchen. There's not too much to say about a kitchen, but I'll say they give you a stove, a fridge, and a sink, which you can do pretty much everything with. I'm making quesadillas, making grilled cheese, and then you have my roommates who are making steak and frying their salmon. You know, there's different levels of cooking on South Campus. I have, you know, my treats over here. And up here, we've got lots of snacks. Little tip for you. You can never have too much Cinnamon Toast Crunch. That's what gets us through the week. Now I'll show you my bedroom. Come on. And this is my bedroom. This has been great because being in a dorm last year, you had to like share every single space. But being here, this is my own space. This is where I get to sleep, where I get to, you know, set up all my decorations and really get some work done. Because as a student in television, radio, film in Newhouse, I have a ton of video work, a little bit of photo editing, and I can get it all done at this desk setup right here. There's a ton of closet space over there, lots of room under the bed, and really I haven't felt like I was missing really anything compared to my bedroom at home, being in this space right here. And over here we have some Jellycat stuffed animals that my girlfriend got me. They're fun little decorations. I think they add a little bit of character to the space, I will say. Those lights can change colors. I don't know if that's like relevant. You know, I got a little bit of smart home action here. You can just pop it on from your phone. Which, I mean, I think that's pretty nifty. You can't do that in a freshman dorm, can you? So that's my apartment. Now let me show you some of the other things South Campus has to offer. There's plenty of ways to get around campus, like the buses or the trolleys, but on a beautiful day like today, this is my ride. So, here we are at the Goldstein Student Center, one of the many resources on South Campus for students where they can grab a bite to eat, do laundry, work out, or just hang out with their friends. And again, that's just one of the many resources on South Campus. I spend most of my time on main campus, so let's head there now. Follow me. I'm giving a campus tour. We're on main campus now, but you lived on South once. What would you say your favorite thing about living on South was?
The greenery, actually. Seeing all the trees in the fields, the deer, skunks, like it was fun seeing all the nature, and it was quiet up there, which was nice.
Yeah, what are you up to today?
Well, we're headed to class right now. We've got a field trip today.
Ooh.
So we're going to Otisco Valley.
Okay.
Gonna drive around, look at rocks.
Yeah. Well, great to run into you on this fine day. All right.
I'll see you soon.
See you. Joey and I actually lifeguarded together back in Massachusetts, and now she's a lifeguard at the Barnes Center at the Arch. All right, on with the tour. On our right, you'll see the School of Information Studies, also known as the iSchool. I take classes there as part of my double major, and I focus on technology, innovation, and society. And I should probably watch where I'm going. Oh, my God, dude, what's going on? Hey, you want to take a ride on this?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Do I jump on?
Yeah, jump on. I'll see you at rehearsal tonight. All right, bye. All right, guess I'm walking now. It's a beautiful day on campus. I mean, look at all the students just hanging out in front of Hall of Languages. It's a great day. So we're coming up on the 3 Newhouse buildings. There's Newhouse 1, Newhouse 2, and Newhouse 3. I have classes in pretty much all of them, but right now I'd love to pop into Newhouse 2 and see if one of my professors is available for a chat. Follow me. While we're in Newhouse, I thought I'd stop by and see Professor Martinez, who I've taken some Newhouse classes with, some TRF business entertainment track classes, and just say hi. Hey!
Hello, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good, how are you? Come on in.
Yeah.
So what are you up to?
You know, we're filming a campus tour for Syracuse Marketing. I've been interning with them for a little bit now, and it's great because I get to kind of show them around my day today.
Cool.
I haven't declared a track yet. Do you think I need to, someone like
You
me?
haven't declared the entertainment business track?
I have not, no.
I would say you can build your own thing, but it's also okay if you don't know, like you are a sophomore, but
Yeah.
even if you're freshman year, or you're entering and you're undecided, explore the classes that are available. And I always say, there will be classmates that you're gelling with, connecting with.
Yeah.
There maybe your fraternity, sorority, clubs that you're a part of. But at the end of the day, this is your degree and your experience. So
Right.
try the thing that you find interesting. And this might be controversial advice, but I think that the best thing to know is what you don't like doing. So if you end up going to a set and being like, I actually really don't like this, maybe you don't want to be a director on set, right? Maybe there's another part of it where you get to impose the elements that you like. So in that capacity, there's no problem if you don't know what you want to do next. Just experience it, try it out, work with your advisors, but there's no wrong way to do your college experience. Well, thank you so much for coming by. I know you have the rest of the tour to give the students, so thank you for coming to office hours, and I will see you around.
Of course, thanks for taking
ya.
the time to meet with me.
Of course, thank you.
See you
Bye.
in class, bye. All right, on to the next one. I'm losing steam here. I think we might have to get a coffee. How about food.com? Let's go. Yeah. All right. That's good, yeah. All right. Hey guys, what's going on?
Hi.
Hey, what are you working on?
Writing an essay.
Charlotte, what do you have?
It's called the Purple Cow.
Okay.
Wait, it's actually like awesome. Okay, we're
Yeah?
reading it for advertising, and it's about like making your brand remarkable.
Very cool, like a purple cow.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Exactly.
Do you guys have another class after this, or kind of like what's going on today? What's happening?
We have advertising in 2 hours.
Wow, doing your homework. Cool.
Meeting in Bird Library to do research for a brand strategic projects that's going to culminate at the end of the semester.
Wow, amazing. Well, very cool stuff, you guys. I got to get back to the tour, but thanks for being a part of it.
Yeah.
See ya.
See you, John.
Bye, guys. Our next stop up on the hill is Crouse College. Follow me. Race you to the top. Yes. Yes. Now that we're up here and I'm a little out of breath, let's talk about Crouse College. This is the home of the Visual and Performing Arts program and where a lot of my music major friends practice their instruments. Now, I'm heading in now for rehearsal with auto-tunes a cappella. That'll do it for my Syracuse University campus tour. Thanks for following me around. I hope you learned something and that you'll like and subscribe. I hope to see you on campus soon. Man, I wish I had my scooter. Can't believe Micah took it from me. What a guy.